In our previous videos, we explored what specialized investment funds (SIFs) are, how SEBI regulates them, and what tax benefits they offer. But now comes the real question: how do SIF actually generate returns? Welcome to SIF Insights, where today we decode the powerful strategies behind equity SIF. From long-short equity to multi-asset hybrids, this is where traditional investing meets strategic intelligence. Let's kick things off with equity SIFs, and honestly, these are the most popular ones out there. Their mission? Not just to keep up with the market, but to actually beat it. How? By picking strong stocks, shorting the weak ones, and managing risk smartly along the way. Take the equity long-short fund. The idea here is simple: go long on the winners, short the laggards. These funds have to keep at least 80% of their money in equities, and they're allowed to use derivatives, which means they can hedge risks or even take directional bets. But there's a safeguard. Unhedged short positions are capped at 25% of the fund's value, so things don't get out of control. Next, you've got the Equity X-Top 100 fund. This one skips the top 100 big names and focuses on mid-caps and small caps. Basically the space where you often find hidden gems and higher return potential. At least 65% of their assets have to stay in mid and small cap stocks, which makes this a go-to product for investors looking beyond large caps. And then comes the Sector Rotation Long-Short Fund. Think of this as a tactical player. It moves in and out of sectors like IT, banking, or pharma, depending on macro signals and sectoral momentum. These funds can invest in up to 4 sectors at a time with a minimum of 80% in equities, and again, shorts are capped at 25%, so downside is managed. So, in a nutshell, equity SIF are designed to give you tactical exposure to growth while protecting you when things turn volatile. Perfect for investors who want more than just plain index funds. So, that's equity SIF. Whether it's long-short strategies, mid and small cap focused funds, or sector rotation plays, they're all built with one goal: to help you outperform the market with smart, risk-managed investing. But equities are just one side of the story. In the next video, we'll move to hybrid SIF, where equity meets debt, gold, and even real estate, creating true all-weather portfolios. Until then, don't forget to like this video, drop your questions in the comments, and subscribe to SIF Insights, where strategy meets simplicity.